Before you begin, remove the top cover, wireless module, display panel assembly, display bezel, display panel bracket, and display panel. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the left display panel hinge and display enclosure. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the webcam. Remove the display panel cable. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel cable.